I just landed in El Salvador, and today I'm exploring everything I can in my first 24 hours. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a travel vlog of when I went to El Salvador. I spent almost 3 days there, so I'm going to split this video in 2 parts. This is going to be part 1, and then part 2 is going to be next week. So thank you for coming back and enjoy the video. First impression of El Salvador. Oh, I think I just missed my bus, actually. So to save a few bucks, I decided to go take the local bus, which costs 75 cents from here to the main city, San Salvador, the capital city. Uber would have cost me, I don't know, maybe 30, 40 bucks. Once the bus got to the last stop in San Salvador, I had to take a taxi to the main bus station where I was gonna get the next bus to go to Santa Ana, which was my final destination. So the taxi dropped me off right in front of the station, so all I had to do now is just walk in and find the next bus. Right here at the terminal, you'll find a bunch of restaurants, a lot of food vendors, little clothing stores here and there. But at that point, I was starving, so before I did anything else, I had to stop and get me some pupusas right away. This was the first pupusas I tried in El Salvador. Bomb. There's 2 types of buses, ones that make frequent stops, and then there's the express bus. I wanted to make sure I took the express, get to my final destination faster. Este es el directo, ¿verdad? Este es el directo para Santana. ¿Cuánto es? 1.30. Gracias. The whole fare from the airport all the way to the Santa Ana city where I was going ended up being like $7, and that Uber at that time was around 80, 90 bucks, so it's a big chunk of money that I saved. I arrived to my hotel super early before check-in time, so I just dropped off my backpack and I hit the road. I rented this scooter to move around the city. The first place that I wanted to visit was this archaeological site, some ancient Mayan ruins, which was about 30 minutes from the city that was at. So I decided to head over there. I think this was like my second time riding one of these mopeds or scooters, whatever they're called, especially on the freeway though. I was a little nervous at first, but I think I got the hang of it. I think I did all right. Right here, I made it to the site. There's a bunch of restaurants right in front of the place that I went to. I grabbed lunch, but I didn't record that part. And I didn't realize that my mic was off. I just kept going, talking to the camera, thinking that I was recording, but it was all muted. So my apologies for that. But yeah, here pretty much you can see all the restaurants. And here I am walking into the Arqueológico part, which is called Tazumal. And the entrance fee is $5, $5. Right here are these ruins, these Mayan ruins. Give you a little bit of history. Probably have to do a voiceover because my battery's almost dead. Oh my God. It looks like it was done after. This is not part of the original structure. I don't think. Maybe it is. You're actually allowed to climb on this side of the structure and enjoy it from the top. It was pretty windy that day. My apologies for the wind noise. I wonder if that's where the sacrifice used to happen. Right up there. I don't know, I think this place is worth a visit if you're in the area. Something very spiritual about it. Maybe it's just me, but I just think it is definitely worth a visit. I seen a coconut water stand on the side of the road, and I couldn't help myself and I had to stop.
¿Ah? ¿Diga? ¿Ah? Sí. Está bien así. ¿Diga? Sí. Sí, por favor. Ah, no sabe que me lo voy a tomar así. ¿Cómo se la toman esta?
I was a little confused at first. This was my first time drinking from a bag, but I quickly learned that this is just normal here in El Salvador. And it wasn't bad at all.
Está buena, dulcita, sale.
This was me dropping off the moped. It was a good time. Right here I'm at the main plaza here in Santa Ana. Beautiful buildings, great atmosphere. That church that you see right there, you could actually go inside and climb all the way to the top and get great views of the city. There's a lot of restaurants and bars around the area. It's a good spot to visit. This was the next day. I ended up renting a car because I'm only going to be here a short period of time and I want to explore as much as I can. So I figured getting a car will be the most convenient thing to do. Right here I'm in the city of Colón, and today's adventure is the Santa Ana volcano. Today I'm planning to climb the Santa Ana volcano, which is the highest volcano in El Salvador. But before I did that, I had to stop and get some good breakfast or some delicious pupusas. I'm ready to keep going, start this hike. Of course, I had to stop and enjoy the view of the Lake Coatepeque before I made it to the trailhead. Way up there. Oh, wait, zoom in. Yeah. That volcano right there is the one that I'm going to be hiking. I want to thank you for making it this far into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Like, comment, anything helps. But other than that, I hope you come back for the next video where I'm going to be climbing the volcano. Until next time, peace out.